The specific project we were on is a county project here in New Ulm, Minnesota. This 8616D LeeBoy paver really excelled for us. We knew on this project there was going to be cold weather conditions that came into it, and this paver does a nice job finishing even in these cold weather conditions. This machine really has a good screed with heated gates, which is an option that came with this paver to provide a good quality finish. It's small and compact enough that we can get into the tight spaces that we can't get in with some of our bigger equipment and pavers, but yet it finishes and has the same, result and product that we're looking for on those smaller projects. When we sit down and take a look at things, we're looking at, price is part of it. Also, something that we're familiar with. We worked with Mike in RMS, and when we call a dealer, there's usually two reasons we're calling. Either we need something fixed or we're looking to upgrade equipment, and both times we've called RMS, they've been able to help us out in those scenarios. If we need to get back up and running, they're out there and available to help us out.